Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free audit of the website iconicexpress.com. I'm on the homepage. I really love the logo. I love that you inform about the free shipping in the top bar. And the menu is very user friendly, which is great. I love the tagline. I would add featured image here so people don't see just text. It feels like it is a little bit bare. This above the fold, so make sure to add a promo image here. Show one of your products, link it to your collections. It will help you improve your conversion rate and sales. Featured collection looks great. I would optimize the title to be more SEO friendly. It's a little bit too generic to help you rank in the right keyword search results. But I love the images. I love the products. I love that they are within a certain style. So that's really nice. The product title is really nicely organized. You still have got shipping calculated at the checkout, so I would remove it because you mentioned that you offer free shipping worldwide. So don't confuse your buyers. Also make sure that the product titles are a little bit more SEO friendly. Vegan t-shirt is very generic and very competitive keyword, so think about how to optimize this title better. You can much more SEO friendly title would be white men's short sleeve or white vegan white men's short sleeve t-shirt, which is a little bit more specific, or with avocado print, which is a little bit more specific and obviously more will help you get ranked in more search results. Obviously, you offer different colors, so you have to take that into consideration when optimizing your titles as well. Shipping policy is useful, however, make sure to have a more easy to understand shipping rates. You offer free shipping worldwide on orders over $100. However, also specify how much is the shipping on smaller orders. Don't expect people to put their personal details just to find the shipping cost calculated at the checkout. It is very discouraging, and you will end up with a lot of abandoned carts. Remember to have unique refund policy because you still have Shopify default policy which mentions items you're not selling. So remember to specify your policy and don't confuse buyers because that can also affect your conversion rate and sales. I hope you found this audit useful. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you would like to speak with our Shopify expert, ask any questions, how to optimize your website, how to get more traffic, please book a free chat. The details are in the email. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.